There are some items that I can't ever imagine going on a trip without, and it appears a lot of you feel the same way. I dug into the data and pulled together the list of the top 10 most popular travel items this year based on the products that I've recommended the most in my videos from using them on my trips and the ones that you've embraced as your go-to travel essentials. And to make things better, everything is either $20 or less. Starting with item number 10, a game changer for in-flight sleep. This is not your average travel pillow. It's a head strap combined with a blackout eye mask that keeps your head perfectly cradled for a pain-free nap, even in the middle seat. And I only started using this maybe a few months ago, and so the fact that it's already within the top 10 most popular products of the year, that tells me a lot of you like this thing too. This style of travel pillow completely eliminates any sort of head bobbing or neck kinks or neck pain. And on top of that, the eye mask is completely blackout, which is helpful because even if it's a flight where the window shades are closed, if you're trying to sleep, there always seems to be someone around you watching an action movie that feels like they're just watching like 90 minutes of strobe lights. There's nothing worse than not being able to sleep on a plane, and if you haven't tried this pillow, just try it once. Trust me on this. Coming in at number 9 is a slim compression packing cube. I think most of us probably use packing cubes nowadays, but having a slim cube in your collection is probably one of my most surprising packing hacks that I shared with you guys this year. This type of compression cube fits perfectly in between the trolley bars in your suitcase, or along the sides or in between other cubes, so that you have no wasted space whatsoever. It makes a flat surface for a neatly packed suitcase. It's perfect for packing socks and underwear or swimsuits, or even keeping all of those small, loose items together in one bag. Number 8 is these silicone travel containers. These are the perfect little travel containers. You can store your lotions, creams, sunscreen, hair products, skincare, or other toiletries, or even non-liquid items like pills or jewelry. And since they're opaque, they're especially great if you have product that can't be exposed to light. And they come in 3 different sizes. These ones are the 30 ml or 1 ounce size. What I love most about these though is the wide mouth opening. So not only is it really easy to get all the product you need out of it, they're very simple to clean. I just pop them in the dishwasher and they come out perfectly clean every time. And they're silicone, they're squishy, they're super durable. I have not had any issues with leakage or spillage whatsoever. Next is deodorant, which may not seem like anything special, but I like traveling with this travel-sized crystal mini deodorant when I need to minimize my liquids. This little guy is compact, mess-free, and doesn't count as a liquid. It basically looks like an ice cube, so there's no question as to whether it's a paste or a gel or a cream-based deodorant. I feel like this next item is slightly controversial, but it's popular enough that it's number 6 on this list. It is the airplane foot hammock. Love it or hate it, it's become a comfort essential for long-haul flights. It allows you to elevate your feet to reduce swelling and fatigue, which brings you into a whole new tier of comfort when you're in economy. Now, this is where I do have to acknowledge my short privilege, yes. While the straps are adjustable, I'm thinking if you're taller than 5'5" or 165 centimeters, this might not work for you. A couple disclaimers about this foot hammock. I've never had an issue with it on a flight, but for safety reasons, you cannot use it during takeoff or landing. And it does not bother the person in front of you. All you do is place the straps over the metal frame of the tray table in front of you, and then you rest your feet in the holder. And as long as you're not kicking or swinging or pulling, the person in front of you isn't going to feel a thing. And yes, I have tested it. Another awesome product to make space for more liquids in your carry-on is toothpaste in tablet form, which is item number 5 on this list. These convenient chewable tablets are perfect for on-the-go brushing. All you do is chew one or half of one, and then you just brush like normal. They're perfect for travel. You can bring them and use them anywhere. I usually throw a few in my purse or backpack or personal item for fresh teeth when I'm on the go. They also work really well in airplane bathrooms when you don't have a lot of water available for rinsing. Number 4 is these silicone bottle covers. So these are toiletry skins or silicone bottle covers or bottle condoms, whatever you want to call them. They're great for leak-proofing your bottles. Whether you're flying carry-on or with checked luggage, if you have lots of cosmetics or liquids, for extra peace of mind to prevent those leaks and spills, just slip these bottle covers over the top and you are good to go. Number 3 is a double-duty genius. I really need to stop wearing black. One of the best ways to pack more clothes for your trip and still only use a carry-on is to get yourself a stuffable neck pillow for travel. Many airlines allow you to bring a neck pillow in addition to your carry-on and personal item bag. But not all airlines allow this, so double check their policy before you try this, of course. If your airline does allow it, this works great if you need to bring some warmer clothes, like a scarf, some long sleeves or sweaters, or a packable puffer jacket. This allows you to bring more items without bringing a larger carry-on bag, and if you get chilly on the plane, you've got easy access to your jacket or sweater. Watch my video here where I demonstrate how to fill the neck pillow, how many outfits I can fit, and whether or not it looks legit. Coming in at number 2, we have water-activated facial wipes. Facial wipes have always been super useful for travel, but using ones that are water-activated have so many benefits. They replace liquid face wash and makeup remover and won't dry out since there's no liquid in them to begin with. I've been using these Olay Daily Facials for a while because they're gentle enough for sensitive skin, but there are a few different brands out there that you can choose from. Like, I recently discovered these Meltaways, and I think these are going to be my new go-to. It's just a small square that dissolves in water and suds up, perfect for travel. And coming in at number 1, which is really no surprise at all, it's the liquid travel pouches. These were the most popular item of the year, and it's really no surprise to me. I love using these for my liquid toiletries so much more than the silicone bottles. Not the little travel containers, because these are smaller, but the actual silicone bottles that are about 100 milliliters in size. Because this way, they only take up as much space as you fill them, and so you can bring a much larger variety of different types of liquids if you only need a little bit of each. You can get a variety pack with different sizes. All the sizes are going to be TSA compliant, and they come perfectly packed flat, and they're super easy to fill. All you do is just pop the top off, and I actually just blow into it to inflate it, and then you can fill it. You can see that it's got this little pouch on the bottom so it can stand flat. And then if you only fill it like a third of the way, squeeze the air out, and then it's flat. And I reuse mine all the time. Just pour in a drop of dish soap and warm water, screw the lid back on, shake it up, and rinse out. So, were there any surprises on this list? Let me know what your favorite travel products of the year have been. And stay tuned because I'm working on another video with my favorite new products that I am most excited about using on my upcoming travels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like in frame?
Yep.
Okay.
We'll just start going.
Okay. Can you even see this?